This is a lockpicking newbie, and I'm going to try a couple of bypasses here. I have this lock I got at CVS, paid $6 for it, which is a travesty, and then this is from that set of newbie tools from Sparrows. It's a Shank. Alright, so let's try this bypass I heard of once, which I've never done before. Let's see how good this lock is. Alright, I assume this lock opens, but I don't know. And I'll try going in like this. I don't feel the pawl moving. Try this way. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm on. I don't know, I'm just going in the bigger side of the hole, I guess the bottom side, the keyway. Getting up in there. Alright, I'm going to try going over by where the pins are up. I like that. Alright, I got to admit, that was sort of satisfying. I just went where the pins are. I have no idea if we're focused right now. Just kind of went straight in. Well, maybe I won't be able to do it again, but that first time sure was fun. I didn't rotate the lock. I just pushed straight up and it just opened right up. Just the keys, and I think I might have broken it. I don't know. Yeah, you know, maybe I broke it because it's not opening now. Wait. Okay, it opens with a key. Alright, here we go. Oh. Boom. I didn't have to drag it. All I did was push it. I'll try to do it so you can see on the camera here. All I did was push straight up and it opened. Do it again. That is so fun. I'm going to just keep doing it until I run out of memory for my video. Actually, I'm kidding. I'm just going to do it one more time. I could tell it was going to work when I could feel the pins going down. Just like that. Click. Well, actually, I saw, it was lockpicking lawyer videos of him showing newbies how to bypass locks. That's where I learned how to do that. And that's a Shank from Sparrows. Okay, well, there's a lockpicking newbie. That's all I have for, oh, wait a second. As a special bonus, I got these combs. Never tried a comb before. So let's try, this is 4 blades, if I can get it to focus, or 4 whatever, 4 bumps, 4 things. I'll try to get that in there on the pins. Oh well, maybe we'll leave that fight for another day. Okay, this is a complete lockpicking newbie, and at least I got it to bypass with the Shank.